go-kart track, dude.
Meet me at the water.
That guy's sitting in his truck, staring at us.
Security's in the truck, dude, looking right at us.
Oh my god. Oh, we got another one! I got one!
What happened?
It's I don't know. It's really creepy.
We happen to be at
Dude,
the pinnacle of the golf course.
what the heck? What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. This might be the craziest video we've ever made. We found an abandoned golf course. Now, I used to play here years and years ago prior to it being abandoned, and this place was crazy. It's like
theme park.
Theme park,
You
literally.
got batting cages, you got go-karts, you got putt-putt, you got
you name
ponds.
it, it's here, and it's all abandoned. So we're gonna take a trip around. We got a net just in case we find any fish, because I do remember fish being here a while back.
There's always fish in golf courses.
Although a lot of these ponds looked empty when we took the drone over it. So I guess we're gonna see. This is gonna be an adventure.
Oh yeah.
And we got walkie-talkies. Brenton, you hear me?
No.
We got walkie-talkies too. We're gonna split ways here in just a second, but let's go. Look at this, bro. Like, where are we? This is a batting cage. We got a giant batting cage right here. And then I'm not sure what we're in right now. Quite interesting. Look at this. A go-kart track, dude. A literal go-kart track. Just imagine a couple years ago, everyone was skirting through here on little go-karts. Yo, I wonder if the go-karts are still like here. Abandoned go-karts? Come on, boys. The cameraman's jumping. Oh. That's crazy, bro. That's insane. I'm not even sure what's in there. All right, Brenton. So long. Best of luck out there.
Terrible idea to split up. That's when everything goes wrong. So.
If you find any water, you let us know.
Okay, we're looking for water. That's why we have a
Water.
net.
See you later, bud. Look at this, David. Look at this, bro. The full course right here. Like, literally. Hey, Brenton, you hear me?
Paul, I want to go the other way. I want to go the other way.
Why? What happened? What happened?
It's I don't know. It's really creepy.
Did someone see you?
No, no one's here for sure, but this is definitely interesting and you're gonna want to check it out here in a sec.
Dude, this might be the craziest video I've ever made on YouTube. We're on an abandoned golf course. Just imagine me putting right now. Tink! Ball goes down, all the way up, over that loop, straight down. Boom, right there. This is all water. Look, so this is literally the end of the course. You used to have to walk over this. This was a little bridge, but this used to be a stream. That's crazy.
We happen to be at
Dude,
the pinnacle of the golf course.
what the heck? Yo, this is crazy.
Side view, bird's
Dude,
eye
this
view.
is the craziest video I've ever made in my life.
I got water.
He's got water. He's got water.
I got water.
Yo, look at this right now. We're in straight graffiti. At one point,
We are
a theme
bird's
park.
eye operation 3.2 northwest to south coordinates. I want to copy
Look at that.
412 to the north.
That is sick.
Copy that. I'm coming up.
Yo, this is so crazy, bro.
Wait till you see what I found.
Hey, stay low, stay low. Oh, dude, what is going on? Look at the golf course. Look what I got. Oh my God. Look at the golf course from up here.
We got water.
And there's water, but we need to get the f down.
Yeah, we got.
Because I promise you, if people see us up here, we're screwed. David, bro, what do you think?
It's epic.
It's epic. We are in a bat cave, literally.
Oh, where are you at?
I'm in the same bat cave down below.
Meet me at the water.
That guy's sitting in his truck. That guy's sitting in his truck, staring at us.
Security's in the truck, dude, looking right at us.
They do not play around here.
Do you see any fish?
It's really messed up for them to leave fish here. So theoretically, we're doing a good deal.
Those walkie-talkies are the best investment of my life. Brenton is now in the water.
Oh.
Get him,
Oh, hold up,
Brenton.
hold up, hold up, hold up.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, the first scoop.
Hold up, first scoop. Hold up, first scoop.
Oh, it's a largemouth. Largemouth bass. Dude.
Oh
my God.
swam right at me and I put the net down and he swam into the net.
Second scoop, literally second scoop. This man just got a largemouth.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
In an abandoned golf course. Dude.
Yeah, dude, I accidentally slid and fell in. We need the buckets. We need the buckets. We set them down over there.
Tilapia, tilapia,
Where?
tilapia. Right there, it just swam by. All this algae is at the bottom of these ponds. Look at all the frog eggs. That's all toad eggs.
I got one. I got
Yes.
one. I got one. I got one.
There's another one. There was another one. The fish are lethargic as hell. Water.
Oh, chill. Look at that.
Wow, dude.
Scooping up trash with him too. That's crazy.
Well, fellas, this might be one of the craziest videos I've ever made in my life. We're gonna actually explore a little bit more after we rescue these fish. We got a tilapia and a largemouth bass so far. The heck is that? It's a table. That's a table. That's interesting. There's a bridge, Brenton. There's another side over there. This putt-putt course, the mini golf course, is literally massive. It's almost like a theme park. Like we had mentioned, there's... Oh, we got another one! I got one! Yeah! As I'm sitting here talking, can I steal that footage from you?
Yeah, bro, that was crazy.
Sick. Oh, I got one. That's number 2. Ow, rocks. That's number 2. Is a good sized tilapia. You literally just gotta swoop your net around. Now the only problem is the more we scoop, the murkier it gets.
What'd you get?
A golf ball.
Yes.
I caught a golf ball. I didn't catch a fish, but I caught a golf ball. You know what's kind of crazy to think about? How old that golf ball is.
Yeah.
What is your guess?
9 years.
9 years? I think this is a sturdy thing to grab to get out.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Okay. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. There's a cop right there. I guarantee he's looking for us.
At what point? I mean,
Let's go.
we might as well go now.
Here. Let's do it.
If we're gonna get the trespassing ticket,
Full sender.
we're gonna get it now.
Only problem is we have fish in a bucket up here.
Yeah, that we rescued. We'll have to tell him like, hey, bro, we came here to get fish out of this pond, which was unethical of the golf course to leave here. So we are here taking them out. So like, I mean,
Brenton's a damn lawyer.
come on, man.
Let's
Like,
get
you
it.
can't be doing that to wildlife.
Well, you take lead.
All right,
We might be in jail by the end of today.
I'm gonna take lead right to prison.
Deep breath, here we go. We're gonna go under this bridge because we just got past like a piece that he could have seen us. Look at this old lighthouse. You just know this place was so cool when it was actually in shape. My walkie-talkie. Yes, Brenton.
Under here. Look at that dead fish.
Brenton is under the bridge. Dude, look at the bones. You see that right there? That is literally a fish skeleton. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Big fish, bro. This is what we're talking about with rescuing fish. There's bones under this bridge. Smash that like button if you're enjoying this and you want to see more of it. I mean, we just literally found this. This is local, about 30 minutes from our house. We knew it was abandoned. I also knew there was fish here. We ended up catching a largemouth, I think 2 tilapia, and now we found a bunch of dead tilapia. Oh, dude. Oh, look at that, dude. Look at all these tadpoles. Look at them all.
No one can see me right here.
Oh my goodness.
A million.
There's so many of them. This is like a freaking mission. This has turned into not only a fish rescue mission, but now avoiding getting arrested mission.
Well, this will become a much better video if it
We
is.
do get handcuffs.
Yes, I mean,
It would be.
The title, Getting Arrested for Saving Fish, really hits the algorithm hard, so.
Let's go get that shit to leave. God, we're like trapped, bro. The Pharaohs, we're just trying to get out of here at this point. Big truck right there, dude. Oh, we got it back to our stuff. Oh, we got the fish. Our goal is to go release these into a local pond where they're not gonna die. What a day, what a video, what a freaking journey. Up the fence, boys. We're on a go-kart track right now. Look how overgrown. Yo, we got straight barbed wire right here.
I told you.
Over barbed wire fences, through baseball cages, and so much happened to save those 3 fish. This fish has been through hell and back. Oh yeah, Tilaps. One each.
All right, buddy. Oh, chill.
Look at that fish. So crazy.
Hey, buddy.
That was an epic video. If you guys went on to enjoy, please do drop a like for more stuff like this. Subscribe if you're new. Check out Fanatic's channel down below. And run away. Run away.
We'll catch you on the next episode.
Peace.